To make this Bandania pesto, we're going to start by adding our fresh Bandania or Culantro leaves to our food processor, along with garlic, almonds, and Parmesan cheese. I also put in there 1 pimento pepper. You can use a hot pepper. Process until it's chunky. Add in some olive oil and then process further until it's smoother. Next, empty, store in your refrigerator or serve immediately. I will have recipes coming up utilizing this pesto. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy pesto recipe. Thank you so much. It was inspired by Eater Foods live tastemakers session at the Best Fest 2018 this year. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.